So I was riding my bike as one does. It was about 1 in the morning, and my back brake locked up. Now I'm breathing really hard because I almost just ate shit. Got a lot of adrenaline going, and I'm in the middle of Benton Harbor, which is the third most dangerous place in Michigan. So I'm sitting here trying to fix this before I have some random crackhead run up on me.
GoPro definitely can't see this.
All I had was an Allen wrench on me.
Okay. Okay, I think we're good. All right, let's see how good she feels. Oh, she's heavy. Yeah.